Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons.
I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
Yeah, you made it once again to another taping of Mastering Life TV, okay? With yours truly, Gabriel Joseph. Once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, I need you to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you are subscribed, then you know that my Mastering Life TV videos are all about bettering yourself, being great, being legendary, and just upgrading your overall wellness, okay? And when I mention Mastering Life, I'm talking about everything across the board, okay? Every I dotted, every T crossed, okay? So in this section, in this segment, I just want to talk about credit, personal credit. You know, business credit is way beyond, but we'll focus on personal credit right now. Now I'm cooking and I have my kids at home, so if I stop or have to do something or walk away, you know what it is, okay? I'm full-time father over here, still trying to make things happen on the flip side, okay? My purpose on this planet, I believe, is to help the world, and by helping the world in my way is by helping people live better, get better, get information that they probably would never have seen or heard, you know, different things of that nature. And so in this video, dealing with credit, I just want to let you all know, first of all, I actually sell a credit repair kit, okay? This is a do-it-yourself kit, okay? Where you pretty much are just copying and pasting and filling in your information, okay? It even gives you instructions on how to fill these forms out. It tells you which forms need to be notarized, which forms don't, and basically you just go through the prompts. You know, here's form number 1, you send that off. If they respond with something, then you got form number 2, you send that off. You see, so it's in order, you know what I'm saying? So you can do this. There's over 36 something documents in this kit, okay? Dealing with all debt. Now, starting with your medical debt, understand, guys, you really don't have to pay your medical debt if it's with a collection agency, okay? The hospital that you went to, where you incurred that debt, you're supposed to pay them back, okay? The second they gave your file to another entity, they broke the law. And so when you get that letter from the other entity saying that you owe this medical debt, you need to pay us, technically you don't. You didn't sign a contract with entity ABC. You signed the contract when you went to see that doctor. You signed that contract with that doctor, with that hospital, okay? Now, for them, that hospital, to give your information to a collection agency, for them to contact you and ask for that money, they broke the law off top. And so that's some of the easiest debt to get off your credit report, okay? Then another trick or tactic or whatever you want to call it, understand, guys, just because you owe something don't mean it need to be on your credit report. Sometimes you may owe something, like legally owe them. You know you owe them. They know you owe all that. But they still don't have to be on your credit report. You can get things off your credit report that will raise your credit score, even though in the background you still owe them debt. In the background, they still sending you letters. What we're trying to do is raise credit scores. If you just want to even the score and live debt-free and just pay off all your debt, which I don't really advise, but I'm not mad at you for doing that. Be debt-free all the way, okay? I'm just saying that some debt don't need to be paid, okay? Clear your credit reports. Pay the debt that's on your credit report, the debt that's actually hurting you. If there's debt that's garnishing your wages and stuff like that, then yeah, you want to take care of that, something that's hurting you. But if it's just in the background, all they doing is sending letters, and it ain't lowering your credit score, it ain't even on your credit report, let them send them letters. Who cares? Who cares? But if it's debt that's gonna continue to grow interest and stuff like that and get higher, you might want to look into that, okay? So know that credit is a wonderful world when you understand it. You can pay bills with credit. Do you understand that with a credit card? Once you got your credit in good shape, don't you know that you can get a credit card? Take that same card, the money that's on that card, and go put it in in the Forex accounts. Put it in your Nadex, stuff like that. Invest in real estate. Invest in different things. You can do so many different investments with the credit card and not even using your own cash, not even using your own money. You understand? So understand the importance of credit. Understand the laws that are being broken from these people who are even getting you to pay them. A lot of them are breaking the law. I have letters that you can send to people to get inquiries taken off. Oh, they ran your credit score, your credit. They want to get an inquiry. They want to look into it. Oh, you didn't authorize that? Send them a letter. You got a bankruptcy? Send them a letter. I got a letter for everything. So understand, what's hurting our people right now is the lack of getting ahead. What helps people get ahead, it ain't always cash, it ain't always money from your job, your 9 to 5. What helps people get ahead is credit. Credit. How do you think people buy homes? You ain't putting up a $300 cash? Well, maybe some people are. The average person ain't putting up $300 cash for that home. You paying $300 in credit for that home, and you getting it. You making payments on it. You see how that works? You're not up front paying $300. If you got to finance a car, you doing that because of credit. You paying off this debt over a certain amount of time, 60 days, 90. Is when you pay your bills. You pay your credit card bill. You paying the minimum. You get real good personal credit. Then we gonna talk about business credit and how you need to start a business even if you don't plan to do nothing with that business. Business credit, you can get a credit card, $10,000, $20,000, $15,000 if you have good personal credit. With that $10,000 business card, you can go buy a mobile home for $5,000. Put $2,000 into fixing it up, and then you rent it out. Guess what you didn't do? Spend none of your personal money on that. There's so many tricks out here, y'all. You just gotta level up, man. And I'm trying to help everybody level up. Think on a higher level. Be a whole better person. Be legendary in this lifetime. This is the life to be legendary in. If you're watching this video, you're here for a reason. You're here because you're here to better your life. You're here to do better. Okay? I'm Gabriel Joseph. You hear my son in the background. Yeah, we at home. This the shutdown. Shutdown part 2. So we all here. But yeah, level up. Be great. Be awesome. Be legendary, y'all. Get your credit right. Get your credit in order. Alright? Until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's Gabriel Joseph, Mastering Life TV. And understand, I do have those packets still for sale. Those kits still for sale. I'm actually doing one for my family member right now who doesn't feel comfortable doing it on their own. And so because they're family, I thought, okay, I'll do it for you. But trust and believe, I'm still walking him through the process. He still knows what's going on. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do that, man. Reach down and pull somebody up. Each one teach one. Free game, man. Free game. Social media is full of free game. You ain't paying for this. This information I'm giving you right here, you ain't paying for this. It's free game. Okay? 2 fingers.